Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program 2012 Cadillac CTS Key Fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with doors closed and both working keys and the new fob. Turn the ignition on and off with the first working key 3 times to enter programming mode. Repeat the sequence with the second key if required, then press any button on the new fob to sync it. After entering programming mode, press any button on the new key fob to prompt the vehicle to recognize it. Wait for the door locks to cycle or a chime to confirm successful sync. Repeat the button press sequence for additional fobs if you have more than one. Exit programming by turning the ignition to off and testing all functions from outside the vehicle to ensure reliable operation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes life easier by handling dirt while you focus on car tasks. Voice control keeps it hands-free and clever navigation avoids cables and trunks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good, now let's get back to the video. If the new key fob does not program after a few tries, replace its battery and retry the sequence. Confirm the car battery reads above 12 volts to prevent communication failure during programming. If problems persist, try moving all metal objects and phones away from the fob to reduce interference. As a last resort, contact a professional locksmith or dealer for diagnostic tools and advanced programming options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.